Hello folks, Mundane Man here again. In February I had the opportunity to go to Palm Springs for a few days, and part of the trip was helping my sister-in-law with hauling a couple of horses and some hay and tack and stuff for the 2,800 kilometer trip. We had all kinds of weather that included minus 40 temperatures, snow, ice, fog, rain, you name it, we saw it. All in all, a good trip, and we got there safe and sound. I had a few days to bum around, and so I thought I would just share some of the highlights in this short video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Some serious rough living for a week. You forget when you live in Canada, the fresh fruit grows just like this on the trees. People just have it in their yards. Looks like I need to get the pool boy to clean out the pool. Pretty rough, eh? It's great to be the king. Santa Rosa National Park near Coachella, and I'm up above Palm Springs and Palm Desert. Beautiful countryside up here. Pretty rugged. Joshua Tree National Park.